right, today is Thursday, April 1st, 2021, and we just spent our first night at the new campground. We are at Kershaw-Ryan State Park, and it is perfect. The first 3 days we were out at Echo Canyon, and it was cold and windy, but we had the perfect day yesterday. After we stopped at Cathedral Gorge State Park, there was no campsites. It was full, so having a plan B was to roll on down here, and we are so glad we did because it is virtually empty and very peaceful. No wind, the sun is out today, and it is perfect. And on top of that, we saw another scamp just roll in. We are not the only scampers here, so how cool is that? It's right behind me over there. So we are back in the back part of Kershaw-Ryan State Park right now. And there's just one other car here besides us. There is water behind me, which makes this place a little oasis in the desert. It's canyon walls way up. So this is where the old homestead was. And over the years, there have been floods. It's been rebuilt. There's a kiddie pool now. And there's group facilities, picnic tables. Would be interesting to share some of the history and where we're at. This campground we consider a hidden gem. We are at Kershaw-Ryan State Park, which is about 2 hours northeast of Las Vegas. And this used to be a homestead. So a little history. thought I would share. Samuel and Hannah Kershaw homesteaded here in the 1870s, and they had crops and orchards that they grew produce and they sold to the miners in Pioche. And behind us here on the far side of the campground, behind the bathrooms, there are actually grapevines that are dormant right now, but they'll be beautiful when we come back next time. This is our view. It doesn't suck.
He's wiped out and it's only 5:30. What an old timer.
We're getting ice.